Now we got a night train in Plymouth, Michigan coming. I hope that doesn't scare the hell out of my friend Cordell. Yeah, here we go with the train anyways. You can see its light heading towards Main Street. Crossing signal should go off shortly. Any second now. Ah, there we go. Here's the train getting close. Somebody's rushing to the other side. See what that train is. But it is an ET-44 locomotive. If you can't see it, I'm very sorry. General Freight grain cars. Let's go over there and check it out so we can see better. All right. Yeah, you can see now. Oh, I think I can smell some of the smoke.
Sorry. We're gonna be in your shot.
Sorry about that.
No, we're sorry.
Oh, I was filming. I was filming the train.
We'll just stay.
Do it. We'll go around.
Okay.
We're going through it.
Okay, we're going. And I am a real fanner. Right, yeah, I videotape trains. Here. Yeah, I think there was an incident that hit incident that stopped that was like that between like 2016 or 2017 that those trains trains like stopped continuously for like an hour or so.
Wow.
One hit for 9 hours in fall 2017.
You film these every day?
When they are coming, almost every day.
Do you know their schedule?
No.
So you just live around here and listen and wait for them?
Yeah, proud Plymouth citizen.
It's a big one.
Yes.
Do you know what they're hauling?
Yes, I know they're hauling some kind of grain.
I think I heard that there's no longer people on the cruise. Is that true?
Yeah, I saw in some cases an older train in Plymouth. You know,
Down by the other railroad tracks?
yeah, I actually been to all 7 of them.
There's 7 around here?
Yeah, I've been to all 7. I've been to all 7 intersections in
Are there
Plymouth.
7 in Plymouth, or you're talking about going to Millbank soon?
Yeah, I have mainly only, I think I've only rail fanned in Plymouth here. But this
Rail fan?
rail fanning,
Rail fanning.
rail
Is that
fanning,
what it's called?
rail fanning.
In England,
Filming-
they call it a train spotter.
Yeah.
What'd you say? Train spotting? Oh, right. Train spotting. That's what we're doing.
Grain cars.
Are they normally like 10 minutes?
Coke Express doesn't mean there's really Coca-Cola on these.
I have no idea what's on here.
Oh. Maybe it's coal. Maybe some kind of grain product. Transporting goods.
I mean, it could be, you know, the name of the different business. It's not Coca-Cola. Maybe a trade.
And I think there's the end, so I gotta go now.
That's it.
Yep.
We're going too.
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna take a picture of you in the train.
Oh yeah. Okay, so okay, viewers, I gotta go now. So subscribe, turn on bells. I'll see you guys later in the next video.